Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In this video, I'm going to make a quick Anthony Bourdain's sandwich for lunch. The main thing is mortadella, which is kind of Italian ham. It's my favorite deli meat with cheese, mayo, Dijon mustard, brioche bun. Let's go, lunchtime. First things first, butter. Bun. Flip it. Whoa, look at that. Woo, look how beautiful that is. Nice. Mayonnaise. Butter again. Mortadella. Flip it. Oh, look how nice that is. Beautiful. Beautiful, look at that. Cheese. More cheese. Pick it up. Stack it. Dijon mustard. Top it. There you go. Alright, here it is. Thing of beauty, this sandwich. Look at this. Wow. Look at this sandwich. Holy moly. Anthony Bourdain sandwich. It's really good. It's 5 out of 5. Mortadella is my favorite deli meat. Mayo and Dijon mustard. Great combination. Five out of 5. Make it, enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye.